Here's the news of the day.
Boeing partnered with Norsk Fuel to accelerate SAF production, advancing the aviation industry's goal of net zero emissions by 2050 with groundbreaking eSAF technology.
Enstrom Helicopter will host maintenance courses in 2025, offering hands-on training for piston and turbine models with IA renewal accreditation and global participation.
Eve Air Mobility and JetSetGo have partnered to advance the use of Eve's Vector Urban ATM software in India, aiming to improve urban air mobility and tackle issues like traffic congestion.
Billings Flying Service seeks FAA certification for 6 CH-47D Chinook helicopters to aid firefighting efforts, with lawmakers urging faster approval to deploy these assets in critical areas.
LifeFlight completed a record 3,534 missions in 2024, expanding its capabilities with new bases and AW-139 helicopters to enhance aeromedical services across Queensland and beyond.
Wind Racers launched the Ultra Mk2, a powerful autonomous cargo drone with double the power and payload capacity, cutting fuel costs and supporting missions across humanitarian, logistics, and defense sectors.
Game Composites acquired Grove Aircraft Landing Gear Systems, rebranding as Game Aerospace to enhance production and expedite the GB-2 aerial firefighting aircraft's development.
To learn more, follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, X, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.